Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial and video. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm back with an easy and fun tutorial, which is the circle into a granny square, how to make a granny square round, or how to make a circle and turn it into a granny square like this too. So if you're interested to know how to make this project, stay tuned for the rest. Using two colors for this tutorial, the cream white and the red. We'll start with a circle first. If you want a full tutorial how to make a single crochet circle, I'll put the link in this video for you to follow step by step, or you can follow here. So I'm making a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 2. I will make 6 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. I will join to the first chain with a slip stitch. Now I'm gonna chain 1 and I will make 2 single crochet in every stitch. I should have 12 stitches. And this is 12 stitch. I will join to the beginning chain 1 with a slip stitch. Round 3 I'm gonna chain 1. I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch, and I will repeat the same throughout the round. I should have 18 stitches at the end. So you count 18 stitches to know that your work is right. And the last single crochet of this round, and join with a slip stitch to the first chain 1 space. This is the third round. Now on to the fourth round, chain 1 again. In the first stitch 2 single crochet. In the next 2 stitches 1 single crochet. In the next stitch 2 single crochet. In the following 2 stitches 1 single crochet in each, and we repeat till the end of the round. I should get 24 stitches. So with every round you do, you add 6 to the previous number. Like the previous number was 18, you add 6 and it becomes 24 for the next round. So you know how many stitches you need to work. And I will join to the first chain 1 space, chain 1 again, this time 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 3 stitches, and we repeat 2 1 1 1. So 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 5 rows of flat circle. So now I'm gonna stop here just to show you how to turn it into a granny square. So for any number or how big or small your circle will be, what you need to do to shape it into a square, you need to count how many stitches you have at the end. For example, I won't give an example now. So the number of stitches you have, you remove 4 stitches from it. Those 4 stitches will be the corners of the granny square, like later on we will shape. And whatever number you have after you removed 4 stitches, you divide it into 4, which will make the square shape, the number of stitches to make the square shape. So I'll just fasten off with this one before I join the new color. Okay. I will hide it later. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 stitches I've got. Yes, exactly 30 stitches. So I'm gonna remove 4, which leaves me with 26 stitches. 26 divided by 4 is 9. No. So 26 divided by 4, it's 6.5. So I will count 7 in the 3 squares and I will end up with the last one, 6 stitches. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna insert the new color in the first corner that I will make. So the stitch of the which I will make as a corner, I'm gonna chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet, all in the same stitch. So for the squaring we set 7 stitches. What I'm gonna do is 2 half double crochet in the beginning, 2 half double crochet in the end, and in between single crochet. Means I'm gonna have 4 half double crochet, so 3 single crochet left, which makes it 7. So 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, 6 half double, 7 half double. This is the first side. And again in the next stitch, the corner, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Again 1 half double crochet in the next 2, 1 single crochet in the next 3, 1 half double crochet in the next 2, which makes it 7 stitches. You see so far. Again in the corner, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and we repeat 1 half double, 1 half double in the next stitch, 1 single in the next 3 stitches, 1 half double in the next 2 stitches, and 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the following stitch. And what we're gonna do at the last row, 1 half double crochet, for 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and 1 half double crochet at the end, and then join to the top of the corner. And this is the first row of the granny square. We'll go on to the next row, which will be different from this and will be the same as you go further if you want to make the project bigger. So I'm gonna chain 2, and in the chain 1 space I'm gonna make 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in each and every stitch until the next corner. In this corner I'm gonna make 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. And I will repeat the same till the end of the round or the square. And the last corner. And the last stitch here. And slip stitch into the top chain 2. And this is the granny square round or circle, exactly like this one and like this one. I hope the tutorial was easy to follow and understandable. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. You'll find the written pattern of a general granny square circle in the description box, linked in the description box. And until next time, take care, bye bye.